What's going on, everyone? So happy Friday. Hope you guys all had a fantastic trading week. One thing that I kind of do want to go over here is going to be the triple Qs, which is the Nasdaq 100. So today, we did take a nasty little bit of pullback. Technically speaking, no technical damage has been done yet. Obviously, we know whether you've been trading this market for the past, 1 to 2 months, it's been a phenomenal move to the upside. I think a lot of stocks are tired. The ETFs are tired. Even some of the bullest of bulls are just tired, right? So anytime stocks get tired, anytime we come off the bottom here and have a massive, almost 2-month run up here, it's time for a little bit of consolidation, time for a little bit of a back test. Off the jobs numbers, we did pull in that pre-market. And then once we pulled in immediately off the bell, we started to spike. Now, there was a point in time within that first hour, it looked like stocks wanted to actually go green on the day. But one thing that I was kind of telling everyone in the live trading today in my private community, which that link is down below, I was letting everyone know, to start, yesterday going into today, market makers had, $4.5, $5 move. We kind of tagged the bottom of that range on the pre-market washout. So what I was expecting was a bounce. Now, for stocks to go green on the day and kind of take out the highs of pre-market, that would have been a little bit outside the range. So normally, market makers, 60, 70% of the time finish within the range that we kind of start with. So just kind of knowing that, you could have played the bounce to the upside, which we did catch a couple of plays to the upside. And then, things got a little bit choppy and it started to fade a little bit. We lost a couple of trades and then we were able to recover on some SPX back down to the downside, which actually brought a lot of traders green or, flat on the day and able to kind of survive. So one thing that I'm looking at here in the Nasdaq 100 is going to be today's low. Okay. So today's low is below the 5-day moving average. If at any point next week, the Nasdaq 100, which is the triple Qs ETF, loses $318, then I will look to try to take some of those plays to the downside, okay? Whether you're trading the triple Qs or you're trading stocks like Apple or AMD, Nvidia, so forth and so forth. If and when the triple Qs lose 318, that is going to be a short position. Now, to the top side, we still have room up here to 327 and 328. That's going to be our next major area of supply. What I would expect is if we do pull back, that's extremely bullish. If we can get a pullback into the 312, 314 area, consolidate and hold that area and then bounce higher, then we would be targeting back up to the top of the range, 324, 328. That's the kind of play that I would be looking for. Now, if we do continue to kind of, flag up here towards the top of the range, I would be looking for 327 or 328 as a potential stop zone before we do put in that next back test. Again, right now, while stocks are 1.5 month higher, the last thing you want to be doing is going in with max size, and the last thing you want to be doing is shooting for, the moon. Now, I'm not saying that we can't break through the 328 area and kind of rip up into that 50-day moving average, which is $343. I just think that before we do that, we do get some sort of healthy consolidation and healthy back test. Now, I don't want to go all the way down and lose 296, which is the original breakout spot of the 50-day moving average. That's not what I want to see. If we do lose 296, that will definitely be a time to be short, right? That's when you're going to want to be sitting short on a lot of these stocks. So hope everyone has a good weekend. If you guys have any questions, or you guys want to trade with me and the team each and every single day live, make sure to join that Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I'll catch you guys all next time.